everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica. Today is release day for our December Pillows of the Month and our stickers. I've had so much fun doing all these fun pillows. I like doing little projects throughout the year because it's a lot less intimidating than larger quilts. It's also a great way to change out your decor every month and have a little something new in your home. Previously, the patterns have been available in PDF format only. However, since it is the last month, I have bundled them all together. You can still buy the individual month PDFs if you prefer that. So now you can get all 12 months for both the Quilty and Stitchy in one pattern, which is awesome. You can get that in PDF or in print format. And let me know in the comments below if you'd like. I can put a bundle of the sticker packs together as well so you can get all 12 sticker packs. So let's go ahead and show off all of our fun things we have for December. We're going to start off with the sticker packs. So the stickers come in a little envelope like this. There are 6 stickers in here, high quality, full color vinyl stickers that are good for water bottles, guitar cases, laptops, sewing machines, pretty much anywhere that you would like to place a sticker. So let's go ahead and just take a quick look. So the first one we have is this cute little scallop sticker, and this is my little star. You'll see this star being used in both the Stitchy and the Quilty versions later, so stay tuned for that. Here's my sewing machine for this month, and if you're paying close attention, you'll see that some of the prints that I used for my stickers are also the prints from my Believe fabric line that went with my Christmas spools quilt that I released on November 1st. So here's the sewing machine. I've named all of them. Her name is Holly, and then she has a cute little pin cushion there, and the pin heads on that little tomato cushion are baby ornaments, so really cute, and there's a little quilt being worked on as well. Here is our truck for this month. There are ornaments in the back, and I just did a cute gingham red print for our trunk, and there's a little wreath on the front of the truck as well. Here's our pin cushion for this month. It's got cute little ornaments for the pin heads, and I went ahead and threw some aqua in there just for fun. I'm having a lot of fun adding aqua into all my prints this season. And then here is our little mug, and it says the most wonderful time of the year. It's got a couple little ornaments on there as well. And then here's our last sticker. This is a mock-up of the pillow and the cross stitch for this month, so you'll get to see those here in person in just a minute. But isn't that so cute? It says Noel, and the O is being replaced by a cute little star quilt block. So lots of fun with our stickers. So here are all of our 6 stickers for December, and all 12 months will stay available in my shop. So if you missed out any throughout the year, you can go back and grab those. And we do plan to keep those stickers in stock as long as you guys are interested in those. So go ahead and head over and grab the sticker packs. Let's go ahead and take a look at the cross stitch. So we've been doing cross stitch every month, and we've been making them into little pillows. And so I did make this month's into a little pillow, but one of my testers had an idea to make it into a door hanging. And so that's what I did. You don't have to do that, but instructions are included in the pattern. So here's what the December Stitchy pillow looks like. I think it's so cute. It matches our little sticker. I think this design is just so much fun, and it was really fun to stitch. And then for the outside border and the backing, I used my fabric from my Believe collection. This was what we used in our Christmas spools quilt. And I did something a little bit different on this because I actually ran out of fusible fleece, which is what I've been putting on all the other ones because you can fuse them to the stitching and to the backing, which makes it really easy. I just had regular quilt batting, and so I didn't want it to move around in here. So I actually just took a couple of minutes and I just did a really easy cross hatch quilting on it. This was just the backing fabric plus the batting. And then to keep it in place for the front, I actually just sewed 1/4 inch all the way around the outside edge of our stitching. I don't know if you can see that, but that's going to keep that batting in place. So as this little pillow gets, used and moved around, the batting will stay in place. So I think it's really cute, and I actually like having that little quilted backing on there because I just think it makes it a little bit extra cozy. And then I added a longer ribbon for this. This ribbon makes it available to be used as an ornament. There are instructions if you wanted to make all 12 pillows into ornaments. You could put them on a tree. I think that would be really cute. But this one's just a little bit longer. I used about a 9-inch strip of ribbon here, and I just layered it in between the stitched piece and the backing when I sewed them together. And then when you flip them right side out, your little ribbon pops out, and then you can hang this on a door. So I'm going to hang this on the door to my sewing room. I think it's going to be a really cute addition. As with all the other ornaments, I stitched it on Witchelt Beautiful Beige in 14 count Aida using all DMC floss. All the information for that, as well as how to finish it off in this little door hanging, is included in the pattern. And then, like I mentioned, I did bundle all of the stitchy versions together into one pattern, so you can get that in PDF or print format, and those are available in my shop now. And there's a little bit of a discount to those as opposed to buying them all individually. So if you haven't got them yet and you've been waiting, you can go ahead and get that. It is in my store now. So that's the stitchy version. Let's go ahead and take a look at the quilty version. All right, the pillow for this year turned out so cute. So here it is, look at that, Noel. And I used, again, all fabric from leftovers from my Christmas Spools quilt. So this is all from my Believe fabric line. And hopefully if you wanted a bundle, you were able to get one. I know they sold out really quickly, so I do apologize. I said it in the YouTube video for the launch, but we are doing everything in-house. So we're doing everything pretty much in my dining room, cutting, folding, packaging, and everything. So we have to keep our kits limited. We did have a few hundred kits, but they sold out like almost immediately. So if you weren't able to get one, I do apologize, and thank you so much for your patience. We did re-release some extra fat quarter bundles on pre-order because so many people were sad that they didn't get one. So thank you all so much for your support and for your patience. Hopefully if you were wanting one of those bundles, you were able to get one. If not, I just want to say don't worry about it too much because I will have new bundles coming in 2025. I do plan on releasing one in January for the So Quilty quilt, which is going to be releasing in January. If you missed that, go back to my last podcast episode, and check that out. I showed all of the blocks there, and then I will be releasing another podcast episode here in December as well, showing all of my recent finishes because we released a lot of things. But I did just want to say thank you, and I'm sorry for anyone who was not able to get the fabric. So here is my finished pillow. On the back side, I used my print. This was the outer border print from the Christmas Spools, and it was so cute. I love it so much, and I think it's just super festive. And then I did do a red gingham for the binding, and then of course I added in one of my little labels. These labels are from Ever Emblem, and I'm actually running out. I need to order some here soon. I think I only have a couple left. For the quilting on this, I just did some big swirls and some holly leaves. I think it turned out really fun. And also, I love doing quilting on these smaller projects. These would also be great for hand quilting if you like to hand quilt. They're a lot less intimidating than doing an entire quilt project, and they're just a lot of fun, and you can do them really quickly. So I did do this on my long arm in the basement, and it really only took me maybe like 5 minutes to quilt the front of this. But you could also do these smaller projects on your home sewing machine. I quilted on my Juki that you see in all of my tutorials for a very long time until I found a used long arm on Facebook Marketplace. It was such a steal, and I've been having so much fun learning about that. I used my pink snowflake for the N. I used a variety of greens for the star. For the E, I used that green print that has a little village houses on it. They were so cute. And then I used the overall large snowflake for the L. And then there's a little ornament on the L as well. So that's cute. And then for the border, it's kind of hard to see while it's in the pillow, so maybe I'll take it out, but I did a low volume border all the way around the outside with some little cornerstones on it. I'm really having a lot of fun using low volume fabrics instead of just solid whites. I just think they're making everything so much more cozy and just a little bit more interesting as well. Although I think solid white backgrounds are kind of my go-to, and I do still really love those. It really helps the designs pop. But as long as you're using a low volume that still reads white, this is just a creamy background with tiny little tan dots and stars on it. It reads white though when you're looking at the pillow. It doesn't take away from the design at all, and just adds a little bit of extra coziness. So I'm loving that and having so much fun. Now, if you did get the Christmas Spools kit, even if you've already made the quilt, or if you haven't, there's actually enough fabric to finish this quilt's front with that. You might have to do a pieced binding. I'm not sure you'd have enough left over from the binding. And then you would definitely have to do some sort of a pieced backing, or just use some other fabric for your backing. But you would have enough fabric left over to do the front of this pillow. So keep that in mind if you were able to get one of those kits. You'll have enough to make this cute pillow as well. All right, guys, that is it for our December pillow and sticker release. I hope you've had so much fun. So stay tuned for Vlogmas. If you haven't already, make sure that you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll get notified when we upload our Vlogmas content. That's going to be a lot of fun. If you don't know what Vlogmas is, it's where we do daily vlogs every day here on YouTube leading up to Christmas. I should just take you around with us. So whatever we're doing, whether it's shopping or ice skating or sometimes just hanging around the house and doing fun crafts, I take you with us for Vlogmas. And I know a lot of you have enjoyed that in the past. So I hope you are looking forward to it this year. I know we are. So that's going to be it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to thumbs up. Like I said, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming fun. I have a ton of fun holiday content coming your way. And then we had so many requests. We are going to do a Sew With Me for 2025. So stay tuned for that coming in January. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed this year's series of quilty and stitchy pillows. I hope you all have a wonderful holiday season, and I will see you in the next video. And it's a great way to change out your decor on Bandit. You may notice some of the prints and then you may notice if you can get them all available. They're all available, all 12 months now. Fabric leftovers from my Bloom collection. Bloom, why do I keep saying Bloom? I used a variety of greens, but you could also do these smaller